Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic agile release planning. Friend, today's topic is very important with respect to Scrum framework or agile methodology. And if you are using the concept of agile or Scrum for software development or project management, so this is a very important topic. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. What is agile release planning? First of all, a friend, try to understand that agile release planning means a concept of software development. Whenever we are managing the projects, softwares using the agile, so here come the concept of agile release planning. Agile is basically concept that we use the iteration methodology, like we do the project in basically agile in iterations. Now, what is agile release planning? Agile release planning is a product management method where you plan incremental releases of a product. It differs from traditional software planning where you focus on major releases. Basically, friend, we do the planning, we do the releases in a chunks basically. Like it is different in traditional because in the traditional we know that we complete all the things, then we do the then we release the project. However, in the agile or Scrum framework, this is a different thing. Like in agile release planning, you prepare the staged releases and then break those down into several different sprints or iteration. Depending on your team structure and the size of the project, you may even have several sprints running at the same time. So basically, friend, what happened that what we do in the agile release planning, that we, like for example, in the sprint is a 3 to 4 weeks time period. So what we do, like we decide that, for example, in the sprint 4 tasks have been completed, in the second sprint 5 tasks have been completed, in the third sprint 4 tasks have been completed. So we do the release planning that okay, we will go with the sprint 1 and the sprint 3, and the sprint 2 we will handle it at a later time, for example. So this is the concept of agile release planning. As in the agile release planning, a sprint ends with a new product increment, but they may not mean a product release happens. Think about writing a book. Each sprint should end with a new draft, but just because you have a finished draft for your client, editor, or publisher to review doesn't mean you release it to the public. Release planning helps you plan which product increments version get released to the market and when. You might create versions 1.1, 1.12, 1.14, 1.2 and so on, each one incorporating the new features and improvement of the last, but you will only release the big one, 1.4, 1.1 or 1.2. Like for example, friend, the purpose of release planning within the agile methodology is to ensure the product is always moving in the right direction and that logical releases are frequently happening. But an agile release plan doesn't outline the work in each release. Instead, it batches iterations or sprints together into releases. So friend, basically the concept of release planning, of agile release planning, is that we do the releases in chunks or in iterations. We decide based on the sprints that which sprints we will deploy on the production, and which releases or which sprints we will not do. Like for example, the concept here is that, like for example, 5 sprints have been completed, okay, and you will go for release for sprint 1, 2, 3, and sprint 4 and 5 you will do it later. Okay, so here comes the difference of agile with the traditional project management, is that in the traditional project management we complete all the tasks, then we deploy it on the production. However, in the agile, what we do, like we complete the sprints, and then we do the releases in the iterations, in the chunks, and we for example, we deliver only 3 sprints first and 2 sprints at a later stage, then 1 sprint more added in the release and deployed on the production. So we do the releases in the chunks. So this is the concept of agile release planning. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.